Hello. Today I have renewed my AZ204 Azure Developer Associate certification till July 31, 2027. So this is the congratulations message and this is the result showing the percentage of marks. 60% was needed to pass. I got 80%. Learn.microsoft.com profile. In your credential tab, here I will show how you can renew your certification. Here it is showing that my Azure Solutions Architect Expert certification will be expired on November 8. So I have to renew this certification by November 8, 2026. And if I renew this, it will be extended till November 8, 2027. So you can click on renew and you will click on the checkbox and take the renewal assessment. So whenever any certification is going to be expired in 6 months, then you will see an option to renew from your profile. It will take some time, the extended time to be effective. In my case, Microsoft Certified Azure Developer Associate has been extended to date July 31, 2027. And if you click your certification details, you'll see that the extended period.